welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to start a series of short videos on vegan restaurants and cafes that I find. So this video is just about this place that I'm going to today, which is called Naturescharmcafe. If you like these videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Obviously I really appreciate that, it really helps me out. If you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button because I'll be doing more reviews. Motorbikes going past, I'll be doing more reviews on more vegan places. Okay, so let's go. We're here now. Let's go and check it out, see what it's like. Peace. Can I try the fish and chips? Can I get a hot latte? Let's have a look, see if they're on the Happy Cow app. So yeah, so they're on the Happy Cow app. Actually, the first review from somebody called Cute Monkey has put vegan fish and chips. He's never given anything 10 out of 10, but he says he gives this vegan fish and chips 9 out of 10. So high hopes. And the second review, amazing fish and chips made from banana flour. We've got 8 reviews on here. It's been open since 2020. Nature's Charm. I have seen they do make like coconut milk. I think I've actually had some actually. It's very close to the Thong Lor station. Thong Lor, less than a 5-minute walk from there. So very easy to get to. It's just down the road off the main Sukhumvit. I mean, there's nobody here customer wise. I'm the only customer here. It's on 2 floors. There's a couple of tables downstairs, but the majority of the tables are up here. It's quite very nice, very bright. Yeah, very chilled. Thank you very much. Wow, it's amazing. Thank you. Awesome. Check that out. That is unbelievable. It's made with banana blossom. It comes with mushy peas, some tartar sauce. Really nice. Ketchup, mushy peas. It's inside. It actually looks like fish, but that's banana blossom. Let's try the coffee. Wow, good coffee as well. What a find. Oh my god. That was so good. Not easy to do vegan fish and chips. Not easy to do. I mean, fish is probably one of the hardest things to replicate in a vegan menu. It's just difficult. The texture, the taste. So it's a large purple skin flower that grows at the end of a bunch of bananas. Tightly packed petals are neutral in flavour but mimic the flaky texture of fish. Great chocolate cake. Attention to detail, the little flowers. Okay. that was amazing. Really super impressed. That fish and chips, vegan fish and chips, is definitely the best vegan fish and chips I've ever had. The chocolate cake was absolutely outstanding. The little attention to detail, the little flowers on top, the little raspberries. Honestly, presentation was on point. Great coffee. Honestly, I'm going to give the food 9 out of 10. Absolutely outstanding. I think the bill at the end came to just over 600 baht. So it probably came to around £12, £13. So the staff there were super friendly, super nice. I like the decor inside, quite minimalistic, very nice, simple. So I'll give the service and the staff, I'm going to give them a 9 out as well, 9 out of 10. Yeah, so massively impressed. We'll definitely go back there again. If you're in Bangkok now and you're vegan, then you definitely need to go and check that place out, because the food is amazing. So that's it for now. I'm going to walk back. I was going to catch the BTS, but I've eaten too much, so I need to go and walk it off. Okay, I will speak to you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.